Hi, I'm Dr. Zyrowski.
And I'm Ashley.
And in this video, we are making a DIY sugar scrub. You know, it is so important to actually make sure that you're using good quality beauty products. And the reason for it is a couple things. You know, number one and primary reason is to make sure that you're not putting a whole bunch of chemicals on your face and on your body every single day. It's estimated that over 150 chemicals come in contact with your body every single day, and that is not setting you up for success when it comes to your health. So we need to reduce toxic exposures, and making good quality beauty products are one of the huge ways that we're going to do this. Now, the other reason it's a great benefit to you is because it's going to save you a lot of money. So why is it that someone would use a sugar scrub in the first place?
I use a sugar scrub 1 to 3 times a week to help just get rid of those dead skin cells, to really help to boost collagen, to help get rid of the buildup in my pores, reduce acne, reduce inflammation, all of those things. I use it not only on my face, but I use it all over my body just to help tighten my skin, make the skin softer, more youthful.
Great, so let's go ahead and talk about the ingredients now. Let's start with coconut oil. So once again, we're using all natural ingredients, which are in most cases found in most people's homes. So that's a great thing. So starting with coconut oil. So you're gonna use coconut oil in order to keep your skin nice and clean and clear. So coconut oil will function as an antibacterial, but it'll also function as an antiseptic. And so coconut oil is a great ingredient to have in your sugar scrub.
Right, and you can't have a sugar scrub without some sugar. So sugar is great for your skin, not good for your gut. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some sugar to naturally exfoliate, get rid of those dead skin cells. It's also a natural humectant, so it's helping to keep your skin more moisturized. And it's a natural source of glycolic acid, which is found to help with sun-damaged and aging skin.
Right. Next ingredient is honey. So honey is going to do a couple good things for your skin too. So honey is a natural healer. It's really great, has a really great healing capacity. And so not only is it great at healing, so people who are going to have acne or some sort of, rash or something like that they're trying to overcome, it's going to benefit that in a great way, but also it helps lock in that moisture in your skin and keep your skin nice and soft.
Absolutely. Then we have a few essential oils over here. The best part about making your own sugar scrub is you can make it according to what you need for your skin. The first oil that we have here is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is naturally antibacterial as well. It's great for acne-prone skin. The next we have is wild orange. Wild orange helps to naturally boost collagen production. It's also antiseptic as well. We also have frankincense, a great oil for anti-aging, and lavender. So if you're somebody who has, some skin rashes like eczema or psoriasis, and you just want a more calming effect for the sugar scrub, lavender is your choice.
That's awesome. Let's go ahead and make this thing now. What do you say?
Sounds good. So first you're going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of raw honey. You're going to mix these together, and you're going to add 12 drops of essential oil of your choice. Today I'm using tea tree oil and wild orange. After you have those ingredients mixed up, you can add the sugar scrub to a jar of your choice. Put the lid on and store it in your shower to use for the next 1 to 2 months.
Alright guys, and that is how you make a DIY sugar scrub. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, put any comments that you have in the comment section below, and until next time guys, make it a great day.
See ya.